Every morning you wake up, just say to yourself, I am born to be great. I am born to be someone who people will look up to. I will not be a mediocre person. I will not be an average person. I am persistent. I am consistent. I am disciplined. Every day of the year, I want myself to be the best person I can be. I will be better than my past. I can be the best. I will be the best version of myself. I am ready to face the failures. I will love failures. When I am down, I will love it the most because failures are the best teachers. They will teach me a lot and I will learn from my failures. But next morning, I will get up. I will wake up and I will face the life again. But then I would have learned something new. I would face the failures with something new that I have learned. I would be a better person next morning. I will not keep lying. I will not cry. I will not make excuses. I will not blame others. I will be a responsible person. I will be a disciplined person. I will not be lazy. Stop blaming other people. Oh, I cannot do this because I did not have internet access. Oh, I am having back pain. I'm having headache. Oh, it's raining outside. I cannot go to the gym. Oh, I am not having enough money. I don't have enough resources. You are still alive. You have all the resources you need. You need to learn it from books, learn it from the internet, learn it from YouTube. Be in the company of people who have the same goal. Stop giving excuses, stop being lazy. You only can change your own life. Nobody else is coming for you. Believe in yourself. You will have to grind. If you are lazy, you will never achieve anything. Even if you have all the resources in the world, you will have to get off the pity potty. You will have to get off the bed. You will have to wake up early. You will have to make early morning your best friend. You will have to make failures your best friend. And you will have to get up every time you fall. You will have to believe in yourself. You will have to talk to yourself every day, every hour. It's small decisions that count. It's everyday decisions that count. You have to be like a bird. You have to be ready to fly. Stop saying, oh, he is saying that, she is saying that, they are saying that. There will always be negative and naysayers, negative people all around you. If you have a strong belief in yourself, no one can stop you. It's their job to say negative things about you. Believe in yourself.